Greetings all, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be testing and doing a brief overview of this USB Type-C to USB Type-C dual cables, 2 meters. But first, before we get into that, here's the box. It's kind of a generic, unknown brand. Obviously it comes with the cables. In addition, these 2 Velcro cable ties, which is handy. Also, it did come with these rubber cable ties. I like these. I like the Velcro ones as well, of course. And then the product manual. No unnecessary, well, before I say product manual, it's more of a warranty card, so there's not much manual in it. There are specs on the description if you're interested in the item, linked in the description below. So it's a braided cable. I put the Velcro strap cable tie on it just for a demonstration, and it's obviously red and black. I've confirmed it is 2 meters. There's no additional plastics, which is nice in the box, just cardboard and the cable and the handy cable ties. What I'll do is I'll use a USB cable tester to determine if the connections are there. If I'm not mistaken, it's advertised as doing 100 watts. I think it had it on the cable as well. There we go. So that's basically 20 volts and 5 amps capable. And also I'll use a Furnace FNB 58 USB tester to confirm to read the E chip in there, and also a cable resistance test, just to give you a brief demonstration, not too technical. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is test the cable using this cable tester. If you're interested in this, the link is in the description. So connect one end to the USB Type-C, and then again there's another USB Type-C on the other end. Okay, so what we can see is it's pretty much like a really premium USB 2 cable. So it's got its ground and there's a shield, and then it's got the positive power, and then the data negative and positive, similar to a USB type USB 2 cable. It's limited in terms of, you know, the speed capabilities of a really premium USB 3, but yeah. Okay, so the next test I'm going to do is just read the E chip on it. So I mean, you can connect it to a power bank, but I'm just going to connect it to the micro USB anyway, because we're going to do the resistance test. Switching through the menus, go to application, toolbox, and then it's the E marker option. Just going to wait there. Connect it to the out of the Type-C, and as suspected, it's speed USB 2, 20 volts, 5 amps capable. We haven't actually technically checked the load there, but let's read this one. Same again. Alright, so we'll go back on that. Toolbox again, sorry, cable resistance. So what we'll need is some sort of load. So I'm going to use this LED light. not going to turn it on. It has a battery inside, so the load will be charging the battery rather. Now we need some sort of power input because this is only powering the device, the USB tester rather, sorry. Connect it to a power bank, and now we see our load is on. I'm going to press this just to reset it. There we go, it's reset to 0. Now we've put a baseline. Make sure the power bank is on as well. Power the connection with the cable that we're testing, and we put it in the in. And now we know we've got a resistance of 200 between this cable. Not bad. Earlier it was showing like 150, 250 and then 230, so yeah, not bad. I mean, what have I done? Just rolled it. Let's test the other one as well, see what this is like. Okay, not bad. Okay, so that wraps it up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like. If you like these sort of videos, please subscribe. This should, I'll basically be uploading these sort of videos as much as I can. And similar other videos as well. Thanks for watching. Take care.